Ultimea Apollo S40 Detachable Soundbar. Main features are: Ultimea Apollo S40 is a highly versatile, entry-level 2.2-channel detachable home theater soundbar. Designed with a novel split personality, it can be locked together as a single traditional soundbar or completely detached into two separate left-right tower speakers to maximize stereo separation in smaller living spaces. 7 degrees ergonomic tilt design. Engineered with a unique 7-degree upward slant when resting horizontally, focusing high-frequency sound waves directly at ear level to enrich the front soundstage. Integrated 2.2-channel core. Houses 2 dedicated 2.25-inch tweeters and two 2.25-inch woofers inside its casing, striking a strong balance between clear movie dialogue and mid-tier instrumentals. Built-in dual subwoofers. Uses integrated low-frequency inverter tubes to simulate a dedicated bass rumble without taking up floor space with an external sub-box. Audio metrics. Capable of a maximum sound pressure level, SPL, of 99 decibels with a clean signal-to-noise ratio exceeding 90 decibels. System power output. Reaches a peak system power rating of 100 watts to safely cover rooms ranging from 100 to 215 square feet. Expandable layout. Includes a dedicated raw subwoofer output port on the back plate, allowing users to plug in a third-party active external subwoofer later if desired. Onboard tuning profiles. Supports immediate, button-triggered remote control presets optimized specifically for movies, music, games, news/dialogue, and night listening. Bass MX technology. Incorporates an adjustable bass configuration array that lets you boost or trim low-end rumbles from -6 up to +6 via the companion remote.